And we've got a... You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Guess who's first on the leaderboard? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Full Send Throttles. My name is Vanden. Today we're shooting that sexy R3 over there. It looks amazing. It sounds amazing. Let's send it! Jason, welcome to Full Send Throttles.
Thank you for having me, sir.
Yeah, so this is a little bit of a special episode. It's the first one that I'm recording. It's the first feature that I'm having, and you were the first one to teach me how to ride, or you were the only one to teach me how to ride. So a little bit of a special moment going on right here. Beautiful Yamaha R3 R320. I didn't know it's a 320cc.
Yes, we just say R3.
Oh, we just... Oh, okay. No, that's no problem. So, Jason, where did the whole motorcycle journey begin for you?
There's various factors that stirred the interest in motorbikes. I think first off was the black noisemakers.
Those little plastic ones that the kids ride.
Suburbs. Then it was R3 Hyper. They had those electric scooters and cars there.
Yeah.
And then also the quad bikes that was just outside R3 Hyper. I think that's where it started. But for me, the main memory is Grease 2.
Okay. Grease 2? Tell us a little bit about that.
People don't know about Grease 2, but Grease 2 is actually about bikes. And I remember one scene specifically, they had a carnival or some kind of school event, and this man's on motocross, up and down, like, yo, daddy,
I want one of those. I want to be that guy.
couple me one of those, please. And since then, I think I was 8, and since then I've been hounding my daddy. Check here, here's a bike, it's cheap, you can afford it.
Of course, you obviously know your parents' budgets.
Yeah. I know how much school fees is, so I know.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and so around about at what age did you start riding, or did you get your first bike before you could ride, or could you ride?
Yeah, so one day my daddy came home. I think I was 15 years old. There was a special just across his work for a Go Motor 125.
Yeah.
So he came home and said, oh, there's a bike available for you. I think we're gonna get it for Christmas. I was like, yeah, lekker.
Yeah.
Don't know how to ride.
Okay.
So one day they just pulled up with a bike there by my house. The guy said, this is how you change gears. This is how you brake. This is how you stop.
Crash course.
Yeah, I got on and then
Off you went.
off I went. It was natural.
Okay, and I remember you having those electric scooters.
Yeah,
that you used to plug in and
yeah, it was a cost you ride. You charge it for 5 hours, you ride for 1.
Would you say that had any influence on just being able to get on a bike, or not really?
Nah,
totally different ball game, eh?
Totally different. It's like riding a bike and riding a scooter. Scooters are death traps.
Hey, we don't charge as long as you send it.
You send the scooter?
you send it at 80, my bro. So the Yamaha R3, talk to us about the bike. It's a pretty much stock bike from what I can see.
Yeah, it's a stock bike. They only changed the pipe as far as I know. I've got this second hand from Squat Motors. This is my third bike. I had a CBR 250, the MC19, that was just a problem bike.
From the word go.
From the word,
I remember that bike.
Brackenfell, taking advantage of a young guy. They're just looking for a good time. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
man.
unfortunately,
Yeah, I remember.
it goes like that.
But anyway, yeah. After Ethan was born, my son was born. I thought to myself, yo, I need to love, man. I can't be too. I don't know.
You are not looking for that full out speed. It's more about the enjoyment of two wheels.
I love my life because I said to myself, yo, I need to ride, but then people will tell me, no, it's so dangerous and stuff like that. And I was like, you know what? I need to be a role model for my son and say, look here, you need to take your risks, but be responsible.
Okay.
And that's how I ended up with the R3, because I was looking at the CBR 600s. And, you know, R3 made more sense.
For a little bit of a safety aspect as well to it.
Maintenance also is
okay, it plays a big role. So on that topic of maintenance, would you say it's a fairly cheap bike to maintain for anyone that's maybe looking to get it, like a student or something, or commuting from home to work every day?
Definitely. It's cheap to maintain. It's easy going. It starts first time. Well, it depends on how your previous owner rode it, or if you're buying it new. It's very good, especially for commuting. It's comfortable. Handlebars aren't too low, and you can go fast enough
with it.
Overtake.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah, I suppose. And I see a little double bubble screen there. Did you purchase the bike with that on?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the bike.
Okay.
I didn't do much. I changed maybe the globe there in front of me. That's all.
Okay. And with regards to future bikes, I know you mentioned your son, and obviously riding with him in mind, it changes everything for you. Would you say this is where it will stop for you, or would there be a possibility of you getting a bike as you get older? Is there any specific dream bike that you would like to get?
I think I still want, you know, one of my dream bikes was the 2008 CBR 600. There was a black and green one that just looked like it.
Yeah, it's like a candy green.
Yeah, it was boy. But I couldn't afford it that time, so with regard to future bikes, I think I'll probably pass this on to either Ashley or to Ethan, and then I'll get myself, you know, a 600 once my experience is back up to where I need it to be.
Yeah, because obviously people won't know this, but obviously you took quite a long break from purchasing the 125, having problems with the 250. You weren't really active.
Yeah.
And then obviously you're still working from home, so you're not riding every day?
Yes. So this is actually just a leisure, like a toy. So
okay, so it's really a hobby, weekend rider kind of thing.
Weekend rider, keeping me out of danger.
And riding style, what would you say your riding style is? Aggressive, relaxed with a hint of aggressiveness?
Yeah, probably that. It depends on my mood, man.
Okay, so I think we've touched on everything with regards to the bike and your riding experiences, what you would possibly look at getting one day. You're allowed, so nothing left to do but to go for a ride, man.
Let's do it, mate.
Let's do it, mate. Does this bike sound? For a little 300, I think it sounds absolutely amazing. Oh, he's going, he's sending it. I think for the purpose that he's using this bike, with regards to like commuting, I think that is a perfect bike for him, because it's a nippy bike, it looks nice, it sounds nice, What more do you need? It's economical. Send it, Jason, send it, boy! Woo! Woo! I don't know how much of this popping you can hear because it's a little bit windy, obviously, but his bike sounds absolutely amazing. Man. So lekker. Baby, haha. Check him coming on. Yeah. Look how sexy this bike looks. Absolutely amazing. That's picture perfect right there, baby. Hey. Send it. Oh, he gone. So it's that time, the draggy 0 to 100 draggy. Jason, I don't think he's ever launched his bike, so it should be interesting. Obviously he's the first one that's in this category on the leaderboard, so he's already got first place, man. Jason, how do you feel about that first place?
Very shallow.
Let's see what that time is. Let's see what we got here. 6.97. Are you happy with that? You want to go again?
Slow at one,
Huh?
Pretty slow.
Pretty slow.
3 seconds of here.
Okay, let's go again. Let's go again. Let's see what you got there, sir. What was the first one? 6.97. The moment of truth.
This one is slower.
And we've got a 6.55. Woohoo! You still got one attempt. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with that one.
6.55. The leaderboard should be up now. Guess who's first on the leaderboard? Right guys, so that is where we're going to leave it today. He's top of the leaderboard. He's the only one on the leaderboard. I'm happy. He's happy. Jason, how was your day? Did you have a liquor day?
It was a lovely day.
A lovely day.
Lovely day out on the roads.
Lovely day out on the bikes. Thank you so much for your time. Guys, full send throttles. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, ride safe. Cheers. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. You see there, my name is Vanden. Today we're shooting that beautiful R6 over there. Beautiful R6 over there. Beautiful R6 over there. Jason, how did you feel? Was it good?
Now,
You No, you can't say that. Okay, here we're gonna go, guys.
I didn't know.
I want the kids to then also watch.
Oh, sorry.
He's top of the leaderboard. He's happy. I'm happy. I had an absolutely... I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at you. Yeah! Look at that guy just chilling over here. Second attempt. Here we go. Woo! Oh! I knew it. You got it. Crazy Grandpa. I'm gonna call him Crazy Grandpa.